Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Stihl 090G. That's the 106cc motor, 6.47 cubic inch. Very popular saw for some heavy duty cutting. This one is just like brand new. It's been sitting in storage for years. It was bought 30 some years ago and used once. Very little use, maybe to make a test cut and then put into storage. The bar is used. It's a roller nose, 42 inch. The chain is new, just has some surface rust from setting for years. It's a number 10 chain. And we'll look at some of the features this saw has. Decompression valve is right on top. Button right here. Choke is right here. Pull the choke out. It's got a throttle lock. Squeeze the trigger. Push that in, that throttle locks it. Has a automatic and manual oiler. And the manual override is right here. There's an original sticker. That's the original paint. It's not been touched up, just the way I got it. Very clean. I did remove the muffler. It looks like it maybe has a minute or two in the running on the engine if they made a test cut when they bought it new. That's all I could tell. The underside is very clean. Only discoloration is where I've ran it with the oiler. The oiler is working, and you see some oil that it's slung by the drive sprocket. That'll clean right up. Gearbox side, very nice shape. Handlebars all in great shape. And I do want to show you, this has the governor that does work on this. I want to show you how that works. That's so you can't over rev this large motor. How clean that is. Just in pristine shape. Just unbelievably clean. What we're going to look at is the governor, which is right in here. It's a air vane. It hooks up to the choke, and when the saw is running, when it hits a certain RPM, it actually pulls that choke to slow the motor down a little bit until you get into some heavy wood. And we'll try to take a look at that here. Lever you seen moving was the choke lever moving, and that was closing it because we weren't under a load. Just a safety feature they built into this big saw to keep it from over revving. Very beautiful piece of German machinery.